Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar goes for a checkup to GMC but is now back at his Talegaon residence. Health is stable, say sources. Land dominates Nue, Chinchini, Bandoda Gram Sabhas. People say there is no land for locals, so why give it to outsiders? Today's youth are not excited about Kokni being Goan theatre languages like Weaver, says senior theatre artist Pundalik Naik. Capital's 18 June road becomes no motor zone for carnival, enthralls evidence. Hello, I'm Leena and now the news in detail. Land rates and changing demographics of villages is the hot topic once again after the heated reaction against mega projects some years back. Gram Sabha members across the state on Sunday opposed the giving away of their land for any purpose, arguing that when locals themselves cannot afford to buy land for themselves, why is land being sought to be given away?
Watch Deputy Sarpanch Kosesa Koleso giving details about the resolutions adopted during the Gram Sabha.
Auditing report discuss झाले. The audited Gram Sabha memberनी सांगले 7 दिवस hold करून आणि दुसऱ्या बजेटावर डिस्कस केल्यानंतर बजेटावर सेम थिंग सांगले 7 days होल्ड करून दवरचो सजेशन आल्यार 7 दिसांनी आमी सांगतले मागीर ते अप्रूवल जातले ते पण मागीर ते वयतले व्हिडिओ वयतले
रिविजन ऑफ
टॅक्स म्हणजे फ्रॉम ट्रेड टॅक्स फ्रॉम मिनिमम टू 100 आहा तेका 1000 करचे आनी पर स्क्वेअर 50 रुपीज पर स्क्वेअर मीटर कमर्शियल रीअसेसमेंटाक होल्ड केला फॉर रीअसेसमेंट ऑफ द हाऊस टॅक्स होल्ड करता
आणि जे
हाऊसिंग बोर्डाचे आमगे लोकांक ग्रामसभा डिसिजन घेतला म्हणजे ते आमकां हाऊसिंग बोर्डिंगा आमकां नाका ते स्क्रॅप करचे.
There was serious discussion on the biodiversity of the village. People resolved to preserve herbs, fruits and richness of nature. A video was played showing heritage of the village. Watch.
आमगे बायोडायवर्सिटी मॅनेजमेंट कमिटीन एक व्हिडिओ रिव्हर्स आला तो ते कशें आहा कितें आहा तें सगळें दाखयलो 15 मिनट तो व्हिडिओ आनी तेका सगळी आखी रिव्हर्साल दोंगर येते गोरडसून दिसती पडटा फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ. ओके. तिसरें आमी एक PBR इंटरिम रिपोर्ट PBR पीपल बायोडायवर्सिटी कॅरी प्रिपेर केला आनी तो आमकां दिला. तो आज आमी ग्राम सभा शेअर केला आनी तेजी सजेशन मागलें स्पेशली ट्रेडिशनल नॉलेज आमगे लोकलांक जाय नॉलेज आहा. मेंबर मागिला आमचे विलेजीन हाऊसिंग बोर्डान एक लँड एक्विजिशन करचे न्हू आमचे ग्राम सभा परमिशन आशिल्ले कित्याक आमकां तें लँड ना आनी हिंगा इनहॅबिटंट लँड ना रावपाक सारके बरे भाशेन आनी ते भितर लोकांक घायले आनी हाऊसिंग बोर्डालो आमगे लोक खंय वयतलो ते पासून आमी स्ट्रॉंगली हें ऑब्जेक्ट केला स्क्रॅप करचे.
Our reporter Sandeep Toyekar from Noim.
Chinchinim Gram Sabha has vehemently opposed housing board project coming up in Devsa village. The Gram Sabha also wanted action against garbage collector who was allegedly burning garbage in the village. Here is the story.
Sarpanch Valentino Barreto said no projects would come up in village without taking the panchayat in confidence. He also demanded a full-time panchayat secretary. Our reporter Ramesh Naikrat from Shishini.
The issue of developing a grazing land rocked Bandoda Gram Sabha on Sunday. The absence of the deputy sarpanch infuriated the members. They alleged collusion by the politicians on the land development issue. Finally, the Gram Sabha passed a resolution stating that the land should not be developed.
On Sunday, Gram Sabha members alleged that Comunidad land at measuring 89,000 square meters is being illegally developed by the leaseholder. When the Gram Sabha was set to discuss the issue, Deputy Sarpanch Saloni Gowde was inaugurating hot mixing of a road in her ward along with PWD Minister Sudin Dawligar.
फाटल्या ग्रामसभेक डेप्युटी सरपंच आशिल्ली तिणें ग्रामसभा प्रिसायड केल्ली आनी आज ती ग्रामसभेक येवना पूण ती सलोनी गावडे आज हांगा ग्रामसभेक येवना तिणें कांयच नोट दिवना आनी तुमकां सांगचें अशें दिसता की ही सलोनी गावडे आतां तिच्या वार्डान हॉट मिक्सिंगाचें काम आसा तें इनॉग्रेट करपाक PWD मिनिस्टर सुदीन दवळकरा बरोबर आसा.
हे ग्रामसभेन आज हो प्रश्न जो आसा तो जवळ जवळ कोमुलाची जागा 89,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर कोमुलाची जागा इल्लीगल वे म्हणजे इल्लीगल एन्क्रोच करून हो डेव्हलपमेंट चालू आसा. थंय तशेंच आमचे 10 जाण समाजाचे देवस्थान आसा. कटमगळा दादा जो म्हणटा तो आमचो 10 जाण समाजाचेच न्ही आख्खे गोंयचे लोक थंय येतात. अशे जाग्यार हो जागो आमी हेचे पयलीं ग्रामसभेक ठराव घेतिल्लो की तो एज अ ग्रेजिंग प्रॉपर्टी म्हणून तो राखून दवरचो. ग्रामसभेक तेंच्यांनी डिसिजन दिलें आनी ते अपिलाक अपील जायनासतना रावले आनी ती एक्स पार्टी जाली.
हो जो प्लॉट आसा 159/1 आसा पयलीं त्या प्लॉटाची एडवर्टायजमेंट सुद्दां ताणें दिल्ली आसा पेपरार नवीन टायमाचेर 13-14 तारखेक. ती प्लॉट विकपाचें आसा म्हणून ITI ग्रावंडाच्या फाटल्या वटेच्यान म्हणजे सेम प्रॉपर्टी. ही जी प्रॉपर्टी जी आसा ती पोर्तुगीज टायमार सुद्दां कॅटेग्लेजिंग म्हणून लागलेली आसा. कोमुलदादीची जमीन आनी लिजार ती आशिल्ल्या कारणान ती खंय तरी गफलत करून ती आपल्या नांवार करून ही सगळें हें केल्लें आसा. आनी म्हाका दिसता हितून हे प्रकरणाक चडशे राजकारणी जे आहा पळय न्ही ते सामील आहा म्हणून हे सगळ्यो गजाली घडटा.
Our reporter Kishan Naik from Ponda.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar was back in GMC on Sunday morning, but this time for a couple of hours. After the checkup, he went back home, sources informed. His health condition is said to be stable.
Manohar Parrikar is suffering from a pancreatic ailment and has been in and out of hospital since he fell ill on February 14, 2018 and was shifted to GMC. He was then taken to Mumbai's Lilavati Hospital and later to Sloan Kettering Research Center in New York. After his return, he was shifted to AIIMS on September 15 last year and returned to Goa on October 14th. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The High Court had directed that elections to the Nerul Comunidad be held after the confusion last time. Acting on these orders, the elections to Nerul Comunidad were held on Sunday. Eric Gudino was elected as president, Ashok Braganza as treasurer and Romana Cordo as attorney.
The last attempt to hold election on February 3rd ended in confusion. A mob disrupted the election proceedings and case was eventually went to High Court. The High Court scheduled the election for 3rd of March, stating that if such an incident took place again, it should be dealt with a firm hand. A strong police force was deployed at the site and election was carried out peacefully. Newly elected office holders spoke to Goa 365 on various issues including the thin participation.
Elections were held last month in February 3rd, but we could not have it because there was a lot of mob violence going on and they did not give us to hold the elections in a peaceful way in spite of we having a police force. So we like to thank the Honorable High Court for giving a decision to hold the elections with the police force and with the presiding officer. I would like to thank him also, Mr. Sandeep Gowde, who has done a very excellent job. I would not like to say what was disruptive. Those people who did it, I got nothing to say on them. But today what has happened, I am so peaceful way it has taken place. I am grateful to the Honorable Court and also thanking God for all the good work we have carried on.
50, more than 50 actually, 50 shareholders, but some above 50 who came, their names were not registered. They didn't register their names in the register, and whoever has transferred their shares, they have transferred it in the month of January. So the people who have transferred their name, they had to transfer it before December. So that is how some of the people who couldn't attend this election, they had to send back.
I am very happy. There was no disturbance this time. Last election on 3rd of February, there were a lot of disturbances, and we told them to bring more policemen and all. So everything went on smoothly, and all 6 posts has been elected unopposed.
Our reporter Sandeep Kamulkar from Nerul.
The Congress alleged that villages in north like Saligaon and Nerul are reeling under water shortages and electricity outages. Spokesman Tulio D'Souza alleged that the government was not doing anything to try and alleviate the woes of the common people.
Water and electricity problems have been hitting at people across the state, especially in the villages. Problems got worse after the Power Minister fell sick. Now the new Power Minister has promised action.
The pathetic situation of water supply and power supply in the villages of Saligaon, Rezmagos in particular, and Nerul. 5-10 मिनटांनी लायट वता, पावर फ्लक्चुएशन्स आसा, आनी कांयच लोकांक फॅसिलिटी बरोबर ना. मार्च एप्रील राव आनी पळय थंय सगळें उदक बंद जातलें. सद्या इट इज हार्डली वी आर हॅविंग, लोकांची बोव पडल्या, उदक बरोबर येना म्हणून. सालिगांव गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट पळय आसा तें बरोबर चलना म्हणून.
Our video journalist Yeshwat Parab from Panji.
Congress alleged that after destroying livelihood of people in mining areas, the BJP-led government now wants to destroy livelihood of people in coastal belt. BJP first banned mining and now wants to implement new 2018 CRZ notification to destroy Goa's coastline. Here's more.
Congress had held a rally at Kankona beach opposing new CRZ 2018 policy. Kankona MLA Isidore Fernandez said new policies only benefit builder lobby. Youth Congress President Varad Madolkar, who was also present, said that Chief Minister Manar Parrikar had promised that CRZ notification won't be implemented in Goa, but he failed to kept it.
जे ट्रक ड्रायव्हर आहा, जे बाबा काम करपी आहा मायनिंगाक, जे शॉपवाले आसा, आयज ते इतले रस्त्यार येयल्ले आसा. कोणे बंद केलें? पारीकार बाबा. कित्याक बंद केलें? तेजेर बरो सोद करूचो पडटलो. फक्त एक सायडीक बाबा तेमी जोडपाक. आयज मायनिंग ओनर जे आसा, एकटो पूण वता जाल्यार पळय, एकटो पूण आवाज करता सरकाराचेर. बरें एकटो पूण गरीब लोकांचे हेल्पाक येता. सो ती सायड जेन्ना अटॅक जाली गरीब लोकांची, आयज हे नोटिफिकेशन हाडलें ह्या सायडीच्यान, ह्या कोस्टल बेल्टीचेर येयलें. आतां कोस्टल बेल्ट 200 मिटर जेन्ना आशिल्लो तेन्ना सुशेगाद बरें चलतालें. आयज 50 मिटरांचेर पावले आमच्या गांवच्या भावांक. चड कोण फिशरमॅन आहा ते. आयज तुमकां कांयच दिसचें ना, कांयच बाबा कांय जावं ना हिंगा. नोटिफिकेशन येयल्यार काय आमकां कांय इफेक्ट जावना. पण ज्या दिसा हिंगासान बंद जातलें, हिंगासान कन्स्ट्रक्शन येवंक लागतली 50 मिटरांचेर, जाणे एकलो जो जागो घेतलेलो तो हिंगा येवपाक वचपाक वाट दिवचो ना.
गोंयच्यान 1 लाख ऑब्जेक्शनां गेल्ली, 1 लाख. आनी ह्या 1 लाख ऑब्जेक्शन जेन्ना आयली तेन्ना असेंब्लीन काँग्रेसीन तेन्ना पर्रीकारा विचारलेलें आनी CMान तेन्ना सांगलेलें हें गोंया लागू जायना, आनी जर गोंया लागू जाता आमी तें गोंया लागू करपाक दिवचें ना. हें पर्रीकारान तेन्ना विधानसभेन उतर दिल्लें. आनी 1 लाख ऑब्जेक्शन दिला आसतना पसून तेंच्यांनी थंय आमकां कांयच आमकां फरक पडना म्हणून तेंच्यांनी हांगच्यान धाडून दिल्लें. आनी म्हणून त्या आदाराचेर तें जालें. हांगा जर तेन्ना गोंय सरकार जर तेन्ना विरोध करताले, गोंयचे आमचे 2 MP आनी जे सरकार जर एकंदरीत तेका विरोध करतालो जाल्यार हें नोटिफिकेशन आमकां लागू जावचें नाशिल्लें कदाचित.
Our reporter Devidas Gaonkar from Kankona.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. A day after the carnival revelries in Panaji, the capital city saw another type of activity. The 18 June road was declared as no motor zone, where various activities such as martial arts training, roller skating, bows and arrows targeting, etc. took place. Mayor Vitthal Chopdekar and CCP Commissioner Ajit Roy too made their presence felt there.
This is a unique part of our history and culture, and which the country as a whole has realized that this is a very beautiful aspect of our culture. Everybody from all across India is coming to Goa, especially in this season, to see Carnival. As part of this Carnival, this year we have added this No More Zoo also, which is giving a message of a green climate and environment.
Our video journalist Irshad Sheikh in Panji.
The language of Goan theatre has turned into Konkani within 25 years, but today's youth are not excited about this like we were. This is what senior theatre artist Pundalik Naik had to say while speaking during the Natya Sammelan at Kurjare.
Konkani Academy and Konkani Sahitya Kendra held second edition of Konkani Natya Sammelan at Ravindra Bhavan in Kurjare. Power Minister Nilesh Kabral, theatre artist Anant Ambil, Sridhar Kamath Bambolkar, Dr. Jayanti Naik and other artists were present.
फक्त 25 वर्सांच्या काळात आयज तुम्ही सांगता गोंयच्या हाजेर नदर मारली जाल्यार गोंयच्या रंगमंचाची भास कोंकणी जाल्या. ही अतिशय जमेची बाजू आसा, म्हणून हांव तुमकां म्हणटा निराश जावपाची गरज ना. आमी बेचैन जावया, आमी अस्वस्थ जावया. अस्वस्थ कित्याक जावया आमी अस्वस्थ जयंती खातीर जावया. जयंती 2 नाटकां बरयल्या आनी प्रस्थापीत जावन ओगी रावला, ताच्या खातीर आमी अस्वस्थ जावया. आमी अस्वस्थ जावया. राजे पवार नाटकां बरयतालो, कवेकर हनुमंत चोपडेकर नाटकां बरयतालो. हे फक्त आतां साहित्य अकादमीचे पेपर आनी सेमिनार अटेंड करीत भोंवता, त्या खातीर आमी अस्वस्थ जावया. आमी अस्वस्थ जावया. अशोक कामतीन एखादें नाटक बरयलें आमकां वायट दिसचें तो खंड पडला, तो खंड ताणें भरून जगयलो. आमी अस्वस्थ जावया की जे पिशे म्हाका लागिल्ले, जे पिशे श्रीधराक लागिल्ले ते आमच्या तरणाट्यांक हातून कित्याक लागूना.
As human beings, we are aloof from the thought process of those characters. म्हळ्यार जे विजडम आमी कॅरेक्टर्साक दितात ती ते आमी आमगे पर्सनल आयुश्यांत तो यूज करना ती. इट इज जस्ट एज अ स्टेट प्रोडक्शन विच इज डेंजरस. आमगे नाटकांतले एक कॅरेक्टर विचार करता, म्हाका लायफांत हांव कल केल्लें, म्हाका कल मेळ्ळें, वेदर इट इज रायट ऑर रॉंग. आमी नाट्यकर्मी केन्नाय विचार करना ती रंगभुमीला हांवें कल घेतलें दिवचें इज व्हेरी इजी, बिकॉज वी थिंक that giving through stage productions we are going to give समाजाक आमी कल कितें दितात म्हणून. What are we taking?
Our reporter Prahar Savadekar from Kurcharam.
India Under-23 national team camp kicked off its training at the Vasco's Tilak Maidan on 3rd March. The camp is being held as part of India's preparation for the upcoming AFC Under-23 Championship 2020 qualifiers, which are to be held in Tashkent from 22nd March.
The team is training under newly appointed coach Derek Pereira. 38 players have been summoned for the camp. The squad will be flying to Doha to play a friendly match against Qatar Under-23 national team before the Continental Championship qualifiers. Our Goa 365 Bureau.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa 365 TV or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa 365.